Started this spill. Holla at your boy.
He's a star, buddy. JackHammer.
Well, go back by Dwayne. I can see him.
Yo, we got a new disc called the JackHammer.
Dwayne, get money.
You got a spot on your shirt.
Wait, finish it.
Oh, Dwayne getting money.
Hey, yeah. Alright, let's do it one at a time. Dwayne,
Oh, Dwayne getting money.
do the side, do the side. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, bro, get money. Spit on him. Get money. Bro, do it like Dwayne did it too. I like that. Bro, get low right quick.
Get low?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Trey. I'll spin your ass.
Hey.
Trey get money, kid. Nah, keep spinning.
JackHammer.
Yo, get low, Trey. Get low.
JackHammer. Do the JackHammer. Stay to the routine, baby. There we go. JackHammer. Get Jack. Get JackHammer time.
Alright, same time, y'all. Y'all gonna start left, then y'all gonna go right. Start right.
Guys,
Ah, yeah, that way.
top.
JackHammer. Alright, we're gonna see y'all spin to the left now. Take it back now, y'all.
Everybody, we love you. The next track is JackHammer right there. JackHammer.
Thank you, everybody. I love you.
Yo.